right over the flag. Not much. Rock Island. Jane Marie over in Arizona.
You're Rock Island? Supposed to have it.
And I also talked to Mike. He said let him know when we do the lunch thing for your retirement if he wants to come.
Oh.
So
I was wrong way.
busy, but still same old, same old.
Huh?
But yeah, he's still good.
Well, I'm supposed to have a spot here. I got a table, but I'm supposed to have a spot.
Trying to find where you're going to set up.
Well, I'm supposed to have one of these. I brought a table. I'm supposed to have chairs.
Well, Jasper should be around. I would ask him. He's the one that's organizing everyone.
These guys, we're actually fortunate because they're actually
So we're live now with Dean. We're live on Facebook. So Dean, that QR code goes to the bonfire store.
Okay, all right.
And then when it takes you to the shirt, and then it will have a thing by with our name on it and everything. All right. So the one I was talking to, Dean, Tim Tennant, he's the one that's in charge of Sky Railways. He's the guy that's down there that I was talking to, Tim Tennant, he's the one that's the president of the Friends that's retiring. But he's also the one that's in charge of Sky Railways now.
Yeah.
So he's the one who's given us the green light to put Rock Island car behind the train if we want to do events. So yeah. And also the Santa Fe trip is canceled next May. Yeah. I'm going to use that time to go look at the Jane Marie.
Alright.
And like I said, in August or September, the Lynn trip will be on.
Alright.
okay, alright, they'll be here. So let's see. So the calendar pops. I'll figure it out. We'll be here, okay?
He was ready to go.
This event will go from 10 to 4 today.
9 to 4:30. It says 4:30 on the thing. Tomorrow.
You should check out those cars down there. Those old
Yeah, I know.
They're really cool.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, that's what they used for the last night photo shoot. And tonight's photo shoot too. They have a photo shoot tonight after this, yeah.
Is Alex?
He's the fireman, yeah.
Might need to get some more tape.
Get a rock on there. Use one of these rocks right here.
Okay.
The shirts, if you're looking for like the Extreme Railfan shirts, our shirts are actually, these are our shirts that you have to order online.
Okay.
So here's the QR code to scan for the bonfire store. That way you can get these shirts online.
Gotcha.
So we got plenty of them. We got different shirts out there. We got different colors. We got everything on there.
Okay.
And with everything railroad related, even Amtrak, we got Rail Runner, we got 2926, we got even the Redwood car on there. So
Cool.
And then here's our GoFundMe if you want to donate in cash.
Okay.
And then here's the donation for the trip to St. Louis for our father when he asked us how we're gonna go visit.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
if you scan this code back here, that takes you to the GoFundMe. If
Okay.
you want to donate mobile.
I will check it out.
yeah, take a look. It's online. And all money from the GoFundMe goes back to the Marie Jane car.
And then here is our
Spring
goodies
store.
stuff.
Yeah, that's
which is
spring.
More merch.
We have
Mugs. So.
we got mugs, we got posters, we got everything you can think of on this site.
Cool. I will check out. Thank you so much.
Yeah, take a look. Yeah, help us out. Yeah. Hey Dean, get on Facebook. Put the link from the business page onto the main and the new group. That way people know to watch.
Alright.
Remember, I said we were going to go live. Yeah, we're live.
Okay. Alright.
Sorry, he could have been here.
What?
Wasn't he coming?
I don't know what he looks like.
Try to message him if he's online. See where he is. So you tell him we're here.
I don't know if he was over there.
It's not on the crew, I know that much.
I think it's not mine. So, we'll see. I'm not going to...
He'll just come whenever, Dean. Don't worry about it. You know one thing we should do, Dean? Make business cards.
Yeah.
That's another thing that might help. I gotta find the right people to do business cards. After Railroad Days, send me a reminder to start looking into business cards. That way we have them for our events. Huh? I don't know. Good question. Yeah, so weird, but yeah. Go do whatever, Dean. You have fun.
I didn't expect the Argyle Locomotive Works craft kits to be so small.
You have to build them.
I know.
Yeah. You know, I talked to the guy from our duck. We were gonna have him make
Our coaches,
yeah. And I said I would even partner up with him to do engine sound if we ever got him working with Pro. I'd help him do that.
since they did the scale model of 2926, 10% of proceeds go to them, so why not 10% of proceeds go to us?
But we have to have a certain amount of budget to do it. We don't have the money right now to do it, so we're going to put it on hold.
No, not at the moment, but
Down the road, yeah, I talked to him. I said maybe down the road we'll come back and let you know, and he said that's fine. Whatever we're,
but it's on the back burner.
yeah, he said right now he's focusing more on locomotives and rolling stock. So, not going to worry about it.
Well, we came up to Belmont.
Funny to get a better open ship.
Yeah, you will. Lucky them, they have a backing on their tank. We don't have one. That way their backing can block the wind.
I started when I was a kid. Well, take care.
Hello. Hi.
What the hell is this? The post office?
No. I use the boxes to, that way they can be reused. They're just sitting in the garage, so yeah.
Yeah.
See?
How you doing today?
Good, good.
Is there anything you want to check out here?
We're trying to raise funds to get a car to go behind 2926, a passenger car. Or a lounge car, basically.
What's that now?
We're trying to raise funds to get a passenger car here
Oh, I
to
see.
go behind 2926.
And then later offer rides to local
Trying to get
Mexicans
this guy
who
right here.
ride behind a real steam locomotive.
It's,
The Marie Jane is what the
I
name of the
think
car
it's
is.
somewhere in Arizona, right?
Yep. Rock Island, Arizona.
I don't know how to do it. I'll bring my daughter back.
Thank you for stopping by.
What I think of doing? Printing out our logo. Yeah, printing it out. You know, like how we have the logo on our group? We should have printed out a big thing. That way we could have put it on the front to say who we were, and I forgot. If you run home, Dean, do you have a printer at home? Shoot. And I'm too far to go home to mock up them yet. Hello. As you see, the car that's right there on the GoFundMe, that's the Jane Marie that we're trying to raise funds for. So,
Let's look around.
all right.
You don't need a big tender like that if you're operating a car. Most of those engines have very relatively small figures. So unfortunately, it's got to get their tender on it. But it tells us something important about the engine is it's a big worker. So they swapped out the tenders, they upgraded until it finally retired. So the engine has quite a bit of history with the railroad.
One thing is, for tomorrow, Max, a lot of these vendors will not be out here. We're not going to have vendors out here tomorrow because of the rail market.
Right, we don't want to steal their business.
No, we don't want the same repeat like we did last time from the rail yards where they got pissed at us. When we were set up in the rail yards, they got pissed that we took business from them. And Leva was one of them that caused the ruckus.
Is that why they set it back here? Fair enough.
And it was bigger for them to go here, so yeah.
I didn't think we took any business away. I think, in fact, we enhanced it. But
Yes and
I
no.
could see why.
Yes and no. We did hurt some of their vendors inside the market on Sunday when we were there. So yeah, no, we basically did some damage there.
For the next time I go to Las Vegas,
Yep.
we should plan a trip together. See ropes.
You forget, Matt, I'm going to be going through there on the Chief.
I know you're already going through on
Train. Yeah. So I'm not going to worry about it. Well, maybe, yeah, we can do a trip. I'll say why not.
I meant like on a separate future.
Hey, no, I know, yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
We're raising funds to get the Marie Jane here from Arizona. They have it on Oaksar for $345,000.
This guy right here.
Right.
So that's, we have merch stores. Any money we make from the merch stores go right back to the car. We got a donation box to them here, one for the car,
Right.
and one for the trip to St. Louis.
Great.
That way it helps reimburse any cost that
Of course.
occurs. You have to pay out of pocket to go. So yeah, we're going to go see two.
Widely present on Facebook, on Twitch, on YouTube.
We're all over the place, yeah, I don't know. And even on TikTok now.
Oh yeah.
So we have videos out. We even have a little bit of thumb drives that I've done from YouTube.
Great.
So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think tomorrow I'll bring the logo. I'm going to bring the flyer tomorrow with the logo. That way I remember. I know we have our shirts on, but I don't know if that's going to be much. Try to push. Hey Dean, I think we're going to stay live for just another hour and then we'll get the feed. And then we'll go live later after like lunch and stuff.
Like when they
We won't be able to see it from here because we have the tents in front of us. But what we might do is we'll record it and then upload to the group.
I might get my video out. And we'll probably somewhere or there.
Actually, you know what? I should ask Alex what our first move is. I should ask Alex what our first move is. Alright, I'm going to cut the feed right now. I'm going to stay live. We'll see everyone down there if you come. We have merch and everything available to show off. So yeah. Hello. We're actually fundraising to try to get this car here. This is right now in Arizona, right next door to us. The Jane Marie. They'll make it relocalize because they're gonna coming in. That's what they're gonna look like.
Can we ride it?
No. We don't have any coaches to go behind it yet.
Are they hooking them up?
They're not here. We have to buy the cars here to get them here first.
Said yes.
Yeah, no, they're not here. We have to buy them, basically. This company that I run, we're trying to buy cars here.
Ah.
We have a booth set up over there, so if you want to go check, we got merch store online. We got everything to help try to raise funds. And we even have 2 donation boxes, even if you want to drop like any type of money you want to put in there, we have them. So that way we have money to go get the cars. Because they're basically, the car we want, the Marie Jane, is over in Arizona. We have to go get it. But we have to first buy it before we go get it.
Right. That gets expensive.
It is. They want $345,000 is what they want for the car. And it's Amtrak certified, so we can put it behind Amtrak to move it home.
Oh, nice.
It's in, yeah, like I said, it's in Arizona right now.
Yes. Just missed it.
Okay. I'll get a nose on shot.
There you go.
So the BNSF yard is down there?
Yeah, the fence is there that delineates the Bajo yard.
Bajo?
Yeah.
And where did you get that smokestack on the scene?
They came that way.
Yes.
Just missed it.
Okay. I'll get a nose on shot.
Yep, there you go.
So the BNSF yard is down there?
Yeah, the fence is there that delineates the Bajo Yard.
Bajo?
Yeah.
And where did you get that smokestack on the scenery?
They came that way. You want to come across? Yes. Just missed it.
Okay. I'll get a nose on shot.
Yep, there you go.
So the BNSF yard is down there?
Yeah, the fence is there that delineates the Bajo Yard.
Bajo?
Yeah.
And where did you get that smokestack on the scenery?
They came that way.
Somebody dumped a couple of barbecue sauce in the refrigerator.
Oh no.
Sucks. I just finished cleaning it all up, but my hands are super sticky. Oh, that feels so nice and cool. Looking for the green
try wrapping it up a little bit better. Squish that and put it in your something, that like over or something. Make it as small as you can, and that way it'll. Oh, that's my trick. In one of those vegetable bins, they have got some mayonnaise on there. Also. I think I'm going to try and put both turkeys together because that's not even full and that's starting to dry out. Now, we wash my hands in water and then we'll go ahead and that way I'm not handling that without some sort of cleaning my hands. So oh, there you go. There's some more. Okay. Put these in there. Yeah, I think I'm just going to lay it right because it's smaller than bigger. Okay, I think it's going to try to do that. Definitely got forward and reverse down back.
Yep.
Yeah, we're experienced. Yeah. And Bill's getting good at moving it around.
Yep. As they say, it takes practice and stuff to try to get it right.
Yep. Can't even tell there's some tough skills on it.